You've been locked up by your own mind, your own thoughts, your own beliefs. But you're also the same person who holds the key to free yourself. Welcome back to the Life Juice Podcast with me, h.v. Life Coach, where we talk about how to awaken, reset, and transform your mindset, habits, and life for more positive, ideal results. Listen, I get it. Everyone has negative thoughts, negative emotions, negative things that they do throughout the day that aren't helpful and aligned with who they want to be or what they want to do. I've been there. I'm still there with moments because I'm always evolving, always growing, always working towards getting better and improving myself. Now, there's moments where I see myself as the greatest version of myself, the ideal version of myself, the new me. And I know that if I do this thing here, I'm not going to be in alignment with myself over here. That doesn't mean it stops me from doing it. Sometimes I still act on my old systems, my old beliefs, and my old idea, my old identity, because I forgot to do one simple thing, right? And that is simple, right? It's remove the negative thoughts that I have associated with my old identity or my new identity and empower myself with positive identification. So let me tell you exactly how you can shift yourself from the old you to the new you, from the real you to the ideal you, from the conditioned you to the free you. First thing you want to do is grab a pen and paper. Okay. Now I know this has words on it. Ignore that. But you want a blank piece of paper. If it's a notebook this small, fine. Make it happen, Captain. But you want to grab a pen and paper. And you're going to write down 3 of the most reoccurring negative thoughts you have on a daily basis. For each of these thoughts, right? For each one of these thoughts, you're going to write down an opposite, alternative, empowering statement. Meaning, so for each negative thought, you're going to have a positive one that counteracts that thought. And what you're going to do is instead of focusing on the negative, you're going to read out loud every morning and every night, and anytime you have doubt within yourself, the positive identification, emotions, and actions you're going to take and feel throughout this week, throughout this day, throughout your life. We're no longer entertaining or allowing the standards of our old self to dictate and run the presence of our new self. You cannot operate in a new version of who you are if you're still doing the same things, if you're still behaving the same way, if you're still feeling the same things you did before, if you're still having the same thoughts you had before. That system doesn't work for this anymore, right? When you get a new computer, it cannot use old software. Maybe it can, but not always. At some point, it's outdated and you need to reset or update or put a new software or create new software, or maybe even the hardware is gone and you have to replace that. Sometimes we're not taking care of ourselves physically and we need to train, we need to work out, we need to eat right, we need to sleep more, we need to rest. There's a lot of things that we're not doing to take care of ourselves at certain times. And one of these things is in the mental. And everything in your life starts in the mental. So for every negative thought you have, grab that pen and paper, write down a positive alternative that you're going to use and you're going to follow and you're going to read every single day so you can convince yourself in your subconscious that you are what you say you are and not what you have been programmed to be. If that resonates with you, follow, hit the follow button. I don't know where it's at, somewhere on the screen. If that resonates with you, comment down below what your favorite part was. If that resonates with you, share this with someone else who they could also grow too. I'm h.v. Life Coach. As always, stay blessed and stay beautiful.